Harold is sitting with his girlfriend at a restaurant. He is already insecure because he thinks he is not good enough and his girl will leave him anytime soon. While they are eating, a man calls the name of his girl out loud as if he already knew her. And she looks at him with a glitter in her eyes. She runs towards him and hugs him. Who is that? Is he the man she is cheating me with? Harold thinks. So Harold gets up in utter rage and goes to confront her. Harold shouts at her, "Who is he and why are you hugging him?" He doesn't even let her girlfriend to explain. He gets emotional and disrespects her. And she looks at Harold shocked. What kind of a man is he? Turns out that the man she just met was just her brother. So in tears, she leaves with her brother. Look what you did, Harold. Your insecurities ended up killing your relationship. Most men today have no idea of the things they are doing on a regular basis that turn women off. I will tell you 8 things that are directly sabotaging your chances with girls. So let's jump into it. Number 1, poor physical appearance. Women judge you based on your appearance. I know it's harsh, but it is the cold reality of the world. 99% of the time, women know if they are ever going to sleep with a man or not. And they make up their mind by judging on the basis of how you look and how you carry yourself, so your physical appearance matters. But I am not here to give you generic advice of wear this shirt or that watch. There are 2 major attributes to your physical appearance that women find irresistible. The first one is your physique, how your body looks. How muscular and athletic are you? It doesn't matter how expensive the clothes you buy. You won't look good in them if you are not lean and athletic. So go hit the gym and get in shape. Not only will it help you with how the ladies perceive you, but your clothes will fit you better and you will look more masculine. The number 2 thing that matters the most is your hygiene. For the ladies, one of the biggest turnoffs for them is your poor hygiene. You should smell good. That is the base level essential for your hygiene. Take showers every day. Yes, every day. I don't know who needs to hear this, but yes, my brother, you have to shower every single day. Also, keep your clothes clean. It doesn't matter if you have fewer clothes as long as they are fitting and cleaned. Take care of small things like your nails and facial hair, so you come across as a man who has his shit together. All right, moving on. Number 2, lack of confidence. Your confidence is incredibly appealing, and its absence is a major turnoff. Women are drawn to us men who are secure in who they are, both in their words and their actions. Projecting confidence shows that you value and believe in yourself, making it easier for others to do the same. Your confidence is directly correlated with your testosterone levels, and girls know it. The higher your confidence level, the higher your testosterone levels, and vice versa. Your confidence displays how much masculine grunt you have in yourself. If you are not confident in your day-to-day actions, it shows that you don't have masculine energy. Confident men have control over themselves and the situations they are in, so when something goes wrong, they can handle themselves. Girls love confident bad boys, not because they are confident, but because they know that bad boys can defend them. There is one simple way to be more confident. You have to constantly make decisions that push you closer to your goals, and then you have to stick with the decisions that you made. Not only will it increase your confidence in yourself, but it will also turn your life around for good. Number 3, disrespectful behavior. Nothing is more off-putting than disrespectful behavior towards others, especially towards other girls. For you to become a natural charmer, you should always be respectful and kind to other women, whether you are in a relationship or not. If you disrespect a woman just to please your girl or just because you are ill-mannered, deep inside that girl knows that you don't respect her either. If you want to show that you are respectful of yourself, you have to give respect to others. It will project you as a gentleman. Now, I'm not telling you to not be blunt. Sometimes you have to be, and sometimes you should take the fun out of silly situations, but you should not be rude. Your tone will determine how your message is perceived. Maintain a respectful demeanor throughout. It's important for you to treat everyone with kindness. Remember, how you treat others speaks volumes about your character. Being respectful shows that you are a person worth getting to know. Number 4, insecurity. Women can sense an insecure man from a mile away. Not only do women end up leaving insecure men, but they also lose any respect they had for the man because of his insecure behavior. Most guys today are unable to defend their women, and they know it. They are always insecure that their girl will leave them, and just by being insecure, they end up feeding into that feeling. Constant insecurity and jealousy can put a real damper on any relationship. You have to be positive and trust one another. Letting go of unnecessary insecurities will not only improve your relationship, but also boost your confidence significantly. Insecurities are born out of fear. Fear holds a man in shallow waters. You will never be able to get ahead in your life with fears hanging over your head. Think about it. Women only want fearless men in their life because they know that a fearless man will protect them from harm. So, let go of your insecurities. The only effective way of letting go of your insecurities is by not giving a fuck or not caring. I've already made a video on how not to give a fuck. Click the link in the description and watch the video in full to better understand why you care and why you have those insecurities. Number 5, being overly emotional. One of the most attractive qualities in a man is his emotional control and stoicism. The most unattractive quality is the exact opposite of emotional control. If you don't have control over your emotional state, you will narrow your chances of success in life and with women. A masculine man has control over his emotions and the way he reacts to situations. Not being in control of your emotions shows that you have more feminine energy than masculine energy. Having said that, I don't want you to be a creepy weirdo who shows no emotions at all. Showing positive emotions is actually a good thing, and it helps you become a natural charmer. However, you should be aware of all of your emotions and keep them in check. Learn to be calm and let the rational part of your brain make the decisions for you. Emotional control shows that you are dependable and you know what you are doing. Being overly dramatic to the smallest of things gives a signal that you are not mature and you lack focus. Number 6, poor communication skills. If you are unable to convey your message, if you are always struggling to find words to express your thoughts, you are not a smooth talker. Believe me, this is one of the major problems men face today. As soon as they approach a girl, their brain goes blank and they don't know what to say to her. You should be a master communicator. It means when you speak, people listen with all their attention. Have you ever seen a man talking to a woman and she is not even listening? Chances are that this man is a poor communicator. Everything that comes out is garbage and nothing makes sense. It isn't even a bad thing, it's just that you will come out as the least charming person in a situation and no one will listen to you. Because the words coming out of your mouth are either uninteresting or worse, make no sense. It is well known that men who have interesting stories to tell have a significantly greater chance of getting a girl. I'm not saying that you should have super complex, interesting stories. Even if you are telling a story about how once your pit bull slipped into the pool, with enough confidence it will come out as an honest and listen-worthy story, so learn to be an effective communicator. Try speaking to a large group of people. Sure, you will make some mistakes, but you will get better. Personally, I think this whole storytelling, getting girls thing is pretty obvious. Think about it, brother. Back in the day, ancient warriors who came back to their village from a war, women wanted to marry those who came out victorious, those who told their stories about how brave they fought. Of course, a woman would want to be with such warrior. I want you to be that warrior. Number 7. Lack of ambition. Any man with no ambitions shows a woman that he lacks masculine energy. Having goals and objectives is attractive. It shows that there is more than just social media and desire for sex in your life. It shows that you are passionate about something in life and there is a chance for personal growth. Women are attracted to individuals who are driven and have a clear vision of their future. Aimlessly passing through life won't get you ahead in life or with ladies. Women know that ambition drives men. The desire for more lets a girl know that she will be wanted and desired by a man, and there is nothing quite as attractive as a man who puts in the work and gets what he wants. Having said that, I don't want you to start making plans to conquer the world, but I want you to understand that if you won't show her your male energy, she will be attracted to someone who shows it more than you do. Now, before I get into the 8th and last habit, I want to ask you directly, my brother, are you enjoying this video I've made for you? I hope you are. And if you are, please leave a like on this video. It would genuinely make my day. Also, if there's anything you'd want me to make a video about, please let me know. I value your input more than you'd imagine. Thank you. Now, back to the video. Number 8, dishonesty. Last but certainly not least, dishonesty is the ultimate turnoff. If you want someone out of your life, just be dishonest with them. Being dishonest shows that you are a coward, and it also shows the women that you are afraid to face your own realities. Everyone knows that liars are awkward people. No one wants to be around with a pathological liar. It just creeps a woman out. And in general, if you want a good social life, be authentic, because if you are not, you are just another NPC in the crowd. Sure, don't go posting your most embarrassing moments on social media. The time you got just a bit too drunk and ran naked across the city, or whatever it might be for you. And just to clarify, that wasn't me. Okay, it was. Never mind that. You get the point. What I mean is, don't hide behind the illusion created by your lies like a coward. Yes, there might be some weird things about you that don't match with the world. That's your uniqueness. A true gentleman is someone who can accept his flaws and his realities as they are. It is something that makes you interesting. Women can sense a lie because they're masters at reading people. Sure, there are times when you cannot be 100% truthful to a woman. Just know that you don't have to tell her everything, but you must never lie. And there you have it, the 8 things that turn women off. If you have one or more than one of the traits that I have mentioned, that does not mean there is no good in you. I have had these problems too, but you have already fought half the battle. You will improve yourself, and I will be there for you every step of the journey. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time with more valuable content. Take care and stay amazing.